Gabriel Code is going to change how you watch movies. So we're going to apply that today to Lilies of the Field. Is it good? Is it dangerous? Is it harmful?
First of all, I think the movie's great. I love the movie.
Oh, yeah.
But I do think that it's dangerous ultimately because
Here we go.
Because of the line that the Mother Superior says.
He's not of our faith, but he was sent to us by our God, who is the God of all faiths.
And so in the context of 1963, it's creating a religious indifferentism.
I don't think that strikes me as dangerous because of the context, because everyone's coming together for a Catholic purpose.
The Mass in town is 9 by the clock.
I'm a Baptist. I don't go to Mass.
We go.
The film has drunkenness in it, but it's not as big of a pitfall as some other dangers. With those things in mind, there's so much good in this film. I had no problem showing this movie to my kids.
Frankie and Johnny were lovers. Oh, Lordy, how they could